got this pastry attachment 6 months ago and I've used it so many times, but I failed to show how well it cuts pastry in my first video. So this is my follow-up video to show you how beautifully it will cut pastry dough so you get that flaky pastry. I'm doing this with a pie. I'm doing half butter, half shortening, mostly just flour in there, and it's going to cut it up so cleanly. Adding in my final ingredients, you definitely want to keep dough cold so the butter and shortening stays cold. It comes with this little silicone spatula. I'll often use my fingers, honestly, but the spatula is super helpful as well to pop anything out of the attachment and also to use in the bowl. Here it is. It's already really, really flaky. It kind of falls apart in your hand, but you can push it all together and make it into one solid dough as well. Now, since this is pie dough, I'm going to cut this in half and put it in the fridge for an hour to get it to really hold together. But let me cut it open and show you just how incredible that pastry attachment is. See all those flakes? That's what you want to see. That's what makes that beautiful pie or whatever pastry you're making all flaky in the end. And it rolled together beautifully. It really did a great job mixing my dough for an easy pie, and I cannot tell you how delicious it was. It may not be the prettiest, that's on me, but the attachment is fantastic.